So we talked to Dr. Thomas, who is currently a high school biology teacher, but she did her graduate work working for the Human Genome Project in genetics. They had just finished reading The Giver, and in The Giver there's a lot of, I guess, biological and natural differences in the book that cause the characters to be different than how you and I are today. So it made sense that we could call somebody who was very familiar with genetics and a geneticist. We contacted Dr. Thomas to ask her about, with what science can do today, genetically and biologically, would we be able to do those things? So we had to talk about ethics and scientific ethics and things like that, but if ethics didn't play a part in it, do we have the science to do what was done to the people in the book? And the answer was yes to everything. It relates to IB because we are reaching outside of our walls, our building walls. I'm not this teacher who's standing in front of the students with all of the answers, and neither is Miss Gibson. And we really can understand more about the world around us and the community around us when we bring in experts and professionals to really kind of help us bridge those gaps of our understanding as adults to what our kids' interests and thoughts and ideas are. I definitely think that the call with Dr. Thomas had an effect on how they perceived the book, because a lot of times when we read books like The Giver or Hunger Games or Divergent, and we think that's so far away from what's even possible from what we live today. And so it was kind of eye-opening to them that these books, though they seem impossible, they really are within the realm of possibility.